Be smart. Keep your toes. When you're mowing and using a weed whacker, these are very dangerous tools and you'll be sorry. And don't be afraid to put on some long pants to protect your legs. And also wear some goggles. You only get 2 pair of eyes and that's it. When they're gone, they're gone. I had a very serious eye injury a few weeks ago and I will never not wear my goggles. I purchased this beautiful lawnmower from LAZADA and it was only around 8,000 pesos, which is around $150 or less, and the shipping was free. If you look down below in the description, you'll see links to the goggles, the lawnmower, and this nice little electric battery-powered drill. Safety first, folks. Don't be stupid.